Hey, you! Yes, you! Do you like colours? Let's play a quick game. Can you shout your favourite colour? Ready? 1, 2, 3. Before we jump into today's fun adventure, we have something special for all our little explorers and their amazing parents. Meet our brand new activity book, Learn Farm Animals with Pongo and Hera. It's a fun English activity book for kids aged 3 to 6, packed with colouring pages, tracing games, and easy animal words to learn together.
Moo! Oink! Bah! You can color me and my farm friends too.
That's right, Pongo. Children can trace letters, match animals, and learn farm sounds while having fun.
Perfect for home learning or quiet playtime. It's not just a book, it's a mini adventure on the farm. You can find Learn Farm Animals with Pongo and Hera now on Amazon. You'll find the link of the book in the description. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel and tap the little bell so Pongo and Hera can learn with you every day.
Hi kids, I'm Pongo. Today my paws are full of colors.
Hello, little artists. I'm Hera. Today I will teach Pongo the magic of primary colors.
Today, Pongo is learning something very special, the 3 magic colours, red, yellow and blue.
Pongo. Red is like a shiny apple.
Red like a superhero cape. Whoosh!
Yellow is like the warm, happy sun.
Yellow like my favorite banana snack.
And blue is like the beautiful sky and deep ocean.
Blue like a splashy puddle. Splash!
Watch this, kids. Magic time. When colours meet, they make new friends.
When red and yellow mix, they make orange.
Wow! Like carrots jumping into sunshine.
When blue and yellow mix, they make green.
Green like grass tickling my tiny toes.
And when red and blue mix, they make purple.
Purple like a royal dinosaur crown. Your turn, little explorer. Can you find something red in your room? Can you spot something blue near you?
Great job. You are amazing colour detectives.
Today we learned the 3 magic colors. Red, yellow, blue.
And when they hold paws,
They make new colors.
orange, green, purple.
You did an amazing job learning primary colours today. Before you go, don't forget to like, subscribe and ring the bell. Bye-bye, colourful friends. See you in our next adventure.